Students, in this video we are going to study about the classification of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are classified as aliphatic carboxylic acids, also called fatty acids, and aromatic carboxylic acids. So what is meant by aliphatic carboxylic acids? If carboxylic group, that is COOH group, attached to the alkyl group called aliphatic carboxylic acids, and in aromatic carboxylic acids COOH group directly attached to the aromatic ring called aromatic carboxylic acids. So depending on number of COOH groups, aliphatic carboxylic acids are further classified into three types. First one, monocarboxylic acid, second dicarboxylic acid, and third is tricarboxylic acid. So what is meant by mono? Mono means one COOH group containing acid called monocarboxylic acid. Di means two COOH group containing acid called dicarboxylic acid, and tri means three COOH groups containing acid called tricarboxylic acid. Now I am going to write some examples of monocarboxylic acid. So first example, CH3COOH, one more C2H5COOH, HCOOH, and I can write one more, again 3 carbon containing acid. So according to valency, I'll write here like this way. So according to valency, the last carbon is COOH, and to the second carbon OH group is attached. Remaining valency complete by the hydrogen. Now you observe all these acids contain only one COOH group is present. So these all are examples of monocarboxylic acid, and the names of this acid is CH3COOH, means acetic acid. We'll see detail about their names in nomenclature part. This acetic acid is the important content of vinegar. Vinegar is a dilute or 6 to 8% acetic acid called vinegar. Vinegar is used as a food preservative. Second one, this acid content total 3 carbons are there. So the name of this acid is propionic acid. Propionic acid. Now in the next example, there is no any carbon directly attached to this COOH, but it is again considered as a aliphatic monocarboxylic acid. So this is exceptional case, and the name of this acid is formic acid. Formic acid, formula HCOOH. And last one, this is a lactic acid. Lactic acid, leolactic acid, is present in curd. So curd in Marathi dahi. So this lactic acid is present in curd. So these are some examples of monocarboxylic acid, because all these acid contain only one COOH group is present. So these are the examples of monocarboxylic acid. Now second class, dicarboxylic acid. Suppose we take an example of COOH bonded with COOH. So this molecule contain 2 COOH groups are present, and the name of this compound is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is a dicarboxylic acid, and its molecular formula is also important. So H2C2O4 is its molecular formula, H2C2O4. Many other examples are there from this dicarboxylic acid, but we will see later in nomenclature part. Now next class, tricarboxylic acids. So if we take a 3 carbon containing compound, arrange 3 carbon in straight chain, and to each carbon one COOH group is bonded. Now total 3 COOH groups are present. Now this middle carbon or second carbon attached with OH group and the valency of ending carbon completed by hydrogen. So this is the example of tricarboxylic acid, and the name of this acid is citric acid. Citric acid is present in citrus fruit family. Citrus fruits, nothing but lemon, sweet lime, orange, etc. So these citrus fruits contain citric acid, and citric acid is an example of tricarboxylic acid because it contains 3 COOH groups are present. So oxalic acid is example of dicarboxylic acid. So here this aliphatic carboxylic acids are completed. Now next class of carboxylic acid is aromatic carboxylic acids. So we will see about the aromatic carboxylic acids. What is meant by aromatic carboxylic acid? The acid COOH group, carboxylic acid group, directly attached to the benzene ring called, or aromatic ring called, aromatic carboxylic acid. Example is benzoic acid. The name of this acid is benzoic acid. If we take one more example, if aromatic ring or benzene ring directly attached to 2 COOH groups at adjacent carbon atoms, the name of this acid is phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. So these are aromatic carboxylic acid. If we take one more example, if benzene ring attached with COOH and OH at one side, this is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid you studied in alcohol phenol ethers, preparation of salicylic acid in by Kolbe method or Kolbe reaction. In Kolbe reaction, phenol is converted into salicylic acid. So formula of salicylic acid is benzene ring attached with carboxylic acid and other is alcoholic group. So COOH attached and with its adjacent carbon OH group is attached. The name of this acid is salicylic acid. If from the salicylic acid, if we replace hydrogen by acetyl group, then we get one more example. So this hydrogen is replaced by the acetyl group. So how can write the structure? See, this is the benzene ring with alternate double single bond, COOH as it is, and this OH is replaced by COCH3 group, acetyl group. This is the acetyl group. So the name of this compound is aspirin. Aspirin is the most important compound because it is used in many medicines, or it is used as a medicine on different diseases. So its other name is, this is the derivative of salicylic acid, and at ortho position this acetyl group is attached, so its other name is acetyl salicylic acid. In short we can say ASA. So acetyl salicylic acid is the other name of aspirin. So this aspirin used as a medicine on different diseases, like first one, it is used as a analgesic. Analgesic means which reduce pains or reduce pains. In Marathi we can say Vedana Shamak. So which reduce pains or painkiller. Second one, it is used as a antipyretic drug or medicine, means which reduce fever or temperature. Again it is used as a anti-inflammatory drug. Anti-inflammatory means against swelling, which reduce the swelling. Again it is used against heart attack, so preventive measure in heart attack. So it is used as an anticoagulant. Blood is not clotted in arteries, so which prevent the heart attacks. Again this aspirin is used as a medicine on arthritis. In Marathi Sandhivat, so joint pains, so reduce joint pains. To reduce joint pains, this aspirin is used, but under the advice of doctor. So this is about the aspirin, which is the very important acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. So this is about the classification of carboxylic acids.